Now, I've previously talked about London being a bit of a minefield for drones, and it absolutely is that. But one of the big questions that always comes up, and one of the very confusing things when you're looking at a drone airspace map of London, is this massive red area pretty much over the whole of London and outer areas of London. EG R160. Now I'm just going to quickly clarify exactly what EG R160 is, whether it applies to drones, and how you can find out this information on your own in the future. So I'm going to just quickly jump onto drone safety map here on my computer. You can go onto the Drone Assist app. If you're on your phone, it's exactly the same thing. And we can see here we have London and this massive red shape all over London, which looks like, hey, I can't fly my drone here. When you click on it, it says EG R160, the specified area. The piece of airspace is in effect between surface and unlimited. And in the remarks, it says a helicopter shall not fly over the specified area of central London. So what you can do with any piece of airspace that you find on this map is go on to aurora.nats.co.uk, and I'll put a link in the description for this, and it just lists all of the prohibited, restricted and danger areas and gives a description for what they are, and in this case it's over and above what you find on Drone Safety Map. So what we can do is just search, and I've already got it in there, R160, okay. EG R160, the specified area, again, surface to unlimited, but the description here is what's important. It says, except with the written permission of the Civil Aviation Authority, a helicopter shall not fly over the specified area of central London below such a height as would enable it, in the event of an engine failure, to land clear of that area. Because it expressly mentions helicopters and nothing else, that means it does not apply to drones, okay? So that particular area, R160, does not apply to drones. That doesn't mean that you can ignore all of the other restricted areas that are within London. I will go over that in another video, and how you can go about finding a safe place to fly in London. But for now, just be reassured that R160 applies only to helicopters and not to drones.